Okay. Oh, hold on. Let me sure it's enough for it. Okay. Once in a while, once in a long time, it will happen like that. It's stickers. So when you have that, don't happen like that. Just like applies more transfer foils on. This one a little bit thicker because it's 2 layer. I'm not using the other one, the clear one. Okay. Oh, awesome. Rub it in. See, so now it transfers perfectly. So before you do anything else, apply it thicker layer. Before you do anything else, we're gonna put one thin coat of a no wipe top coat here for 30 seconds before you are doing is ombre. So then that way it prevent from your monomers will going to dissolve in your foil image. So I am going to apply the top coat here for 30 seconds. I'm gonna apply the black one. Rub it in. This is my favorite. Transfer complete. Continue putting the no wipe top coat on. So if any of you are having is really difficult times or troubleshooting with transfer foil gels, just make sure that when you did it at first, like mine, just apply enough of transfer foil, not too thin, then it's not gonna transfer for you. All right, so this one is already have a top coat on. So now we are going to use one. So this is Young Peach and this is the Purple Nude, number 2 and number 13. And we need the crystal clears right here. So I'm gonna do submerging my brush into the monomers again and pick up number 13 is Purple Nude. And I'm gonna do is to place this right where my foil is end. I usually apply about 50%, like a half of the nails, or 60%. And then wipe off the brush really well, submerging the brush into the monomers and using just the belly of your brush, of your bristle, and blend it. Okay, you can do any colors you want. It doesn't have to be this colors. I love this, is all cool, and you can add glitter on if you want to. So I am gonna pick a smaller bead, same beads, and now I'm gonna perfect the cuticles area. I'm gonna tuck it in, get closer, just a hair away from your cuticles, and then you tuck all the powders in, so then you don't feel like you are having it all over places, and they're not gonna running everywhere or running back into the cuticles, which is cause of a lifting if we're not smoothing them. All right. So you see how nice and thin it is, right? And then we are going to apply the crystal clears on. So I'm gonna pick the crystal clears, smaller crystal clear, and then you're gonna place this right in between your, so then you are going to place this right in the middle. It's important to do it right in the transitionings of your colors and an ombre. Okay, this is perfect for a beginner, so don't worry if you have 2 beads and okay. You can add some glitter on if you like to add some on. Okay, I'm gonna let it set. Oh, that is awesome, Mika. And then